What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Brady's Garage. Today, I'm going to be going over every single thing wrong with my BMW F10 535i. It is a 2016, and it's got quite a bit wrong with it, but I love it. I absolutely love it. If you want to know whether you should buy one or not, I guess this is the perfect video for you, because these are pretty common things, actually, that go wrong with these cars that people look over, to be honest. I don't have the valve cover gasket problem or the rod bearing problem. I have other problems, but they're just as common of problems that people don't talk about. So I'm gonna show you what's wrong with it. I got the keys right here. Let's go out to it and get started. Got a garage filled with car parts. So that's a good example of owning a BMW. So there's car parts literally just fucking everywhere. And here she is. Turn around, I gotta get gas. Just over 118,000. So first, we have adaptive headlight malfunction. On this left side here, the adaptive headlight does not work, nor does the front left turn signal. My front left headlight is completely done. Lighting system, whole front left malfunction, and the vertical aim control. So I know what it is. It's a main LED control module, and I've tried replacing it 2 times with OE, not OEM parts, and neither time have they been able to get it to work, unfortunately. So that means I do have to buy an OEM part. I'm not necessarily looking forward to that. However, I think it will be okay. It's not that expensive. I mean, it's not cheap by any means, but it's not like ridiculously expensive. I've already bought a new assembly because I needed one too. I got that at a good deal on eBay for like $1,100 instead of like $3,000, which is how much they wanted from BMW, which is crazy. So another thing that is wrong with this car is I am missing, or I just figured this out last night. I would sit in my cabin in here, drive, and every now and then when the car would idle, you'd stop at a stoplight, or you'd be in a drive-through, or you'd be in someone like my girlfriend's driveway, sitting there saying goodbye to each other. Smoke, white smoke, burning smoke would come through the air vents, and you'd have to roll the windows down because it smells so bad. So I don't know if this is exactly the problem, but when we were looking at it yesterday, we noticed, I noticed a pipe that was completely in half. Crankshaft vent hose, right? I don't know if that would cause the smoke problem, but the crankshaft vent hose is completely gone now because we took it off. Because I mean, what difference does it make? It was already in half. It's pretty cheap. It's like $50, and I just ordered a valve cover gasket because I knew that I probably have to do that soon. Keyless entry, it does into the car. The lock on this side doesn't work. I swipe my finger across to touch it on the door handle on the driver's side, and it does not work. It's a first world problem, but it's annoying because you try and then you remember, oh shit, it doesn't work. After so long of it working, you get used to it. What else doesn't work? The heat. Yeah, the heat doesn't work. Does not blow warm air. Ever. Never does it blow warm air, and it's really annoying. It's winter here. And today, luckily, it's a little bit warmer. It is 42 degrees. Yesterday, it was like 27, and it's November. Okay, winter is gonna be hell if I don't get that fixed. Heater core, I hope it's not a fucking heater core. That's in the dashboard. And I do most of my car work myself because I'm not paying like for the valve cover gasket, I'm not paying no $3,000 for a $30 part that I ordered to have it put in. Absolutely not. I'm gonna do that myself. It takes 6 hours, fuck it. But I would definitely recommend a BMW. They're super fun. I mean, I have so much fun in this car. If you can't afford to fix it, do not buy it. And I'm not saying I can afford to fix it. It's all on credit cards, and it's a lot of debt, but we're working at it, you know? But it is absolutely the best car that I could ever imagine owning at 17 years old. Like, and when I bought it, I was like, oh yeah, I can afford this. And yeah, I can afford the car payment. I can't afford the things that have happened, but I try my best, you know. That's why a lot of the things aren't fixed right now, because I can't really afford it. Recommend a BMW 100%. Just make sure it has service records. Make sure it has very few owners, maybe an owner that took care of it. This car was an import from Canada. I don't know what that means. It was in an accident at one point, but we knew that when buying it. They told us that. It's not like I bought it without knowing that. Because I did buy it from a dealer. It was not a private sale. So anyway, I would just like to say, stick around here, man. If you enjoy cars, I'm going to be flipping cars, hopefully coming up pretty soon. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I also detail cars. So honestly, if you want car content, I'm going to be getting a GoPro, put on my head. We can do late night drives and shit like that. If you want to see that, stick around. It's going to be fun. I'm here for the fun. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. I'm done here.